Why buy and manage dozens of physical smartphones when you can run them virtually in the cloud? Welcome to this video about GeeLark. GeeLark lets you use virtual smartphones in the cloud instead of buying and managing many physical phones. This allows you to test apps, manage multiple social accounts, or handle mass posting for many socials like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube while acting like a genuine mobile user. Stay tuned to get an outstanding 15% discount code. First, download the GeeLark app for the best experience and open it up. To start off with GeeLark, we need proxies and cloud phones like this one. Once you have proxy servers ready, click Proxies on the left and head to Add Proxy to add one. We need one proxy for each cloud phone, and we can use HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5 formats from residential or mobile proxies, using the suggested format. Click Check Proxy to verify if the proxy is currently working. Click OK at the bottom, and this new proxy will be saved in your proxy list. Now, how do you create a brand new virtual Android phone? Let's create the cloud mobile phone profile by going to Profiles on the left and clicking New Profile in the top right corner. Give it a name and keep Android selected. macOS support will be available in a future update. Apply tags, groups, and notes if necessary. At the bottom, under Proxy Settings, choose Save to select one of the proxies you stored earlier. Next, choose your operating system version and click Create. Here it is. To use your cloud phone, select the desired profile and click Start to launch it. Once it connects, you have a fully functional mobile phone ready to use. You can tap on any part by clicking on it, and you can use your keyboard to type directly on the screen. This phone is completely operational and can be used to visit the internet safely or test the functionality of your own websites. Now, let's see how to record live video or post social content directly from your virtual smartphone. First, install the apps you want to use on your cloud phone. In this example, we will use Instagram and publish an Instagram reel. You can connect to your camera by clicking Camera on the right side and enabling your computer's webcam to establish a connection, which can also be used for live streams. On the right, you can also use Upload to bring in several files for your social media. Let's select this file and upload it so we can write the post. Each virtual phone features a unique ID, MAC address, and IP address. Because it is not a standard emulator, it is completely safe to use when visiting the internet. From here, you can tag people and add a location. Let's move on for now and click Share. Here is the final published result. Another important feature is automation on the left menu, which creators and marketers can use to streamline their production workflow. If you go to Marketplace, you will find a long list of ready-to-use templates across several social media platforms, performing specific tasks, such as posting videos, editing profiles, or commenting on existing content, with absolutely no programming required. Let's take our earlier example of posting an Instagram reel. Click the three dots button to select your task type. Let's create a one-time regular task. Give your task a name, and make sure to select the cloud phone profile you want to use. Just ensure the Instagram app is correctly installed on that phone. Next, go to Creatives and select Single Upload to choose your file. Set the publication time for a few minutes ahead, add your caption, and configure the remaining options at the bottom. Click Save in the bottom left corner. Once planned, your task appears in the logs list. Here you can see completed tasks alongside your ongoing task. After a task finishes, you can click View Report to get a quick summary of what happened, complete with step-by-step screenshots. GeeLark also includes other outstanding features like GeeLark AI, powered by DeepSeek, to assist you with generating media or setting up automations. Make sure to check our video description to learn more about GeeLark and claim your 15% discount with our coupon.